Welcome to Learn Yourself. In this video, we are going to learn about exercise 5.1 from the chapter Lines and Angles. Question number 1. In this question, we have to find complementary angle of the angles what they have given over here. Now, there are two methods to find complementary angle. So, first method is we are guessing the other angle because we do not know what will be the measure of that angle. So let the complementary angle be x. So we have assumed here that other complementary angle is x. So when this angle is complementary with 20-degree angle, it should give us 90-degree when we are adding them. Now x equals to 90-degree minus 20-degree. So x equals to, we will get here 70-degree. So the complementary angle of this given angle is 70-degree. Now other method, we are doing it in the second numerical. So you can follow any one method, whatever you are comfortable with. Now in second numerical, our angle is 63. So directly you can subtract it from the 90-degree. And you can write the answer here that our answer here is 27-degree. So here answer is 27-degree. Third numerical, we have angle here 57-degree. So let us subtract this from 90-degree. So 90-degree minus 57-degree, we will get here 33-degree. So our answer here is 33-degree. Exercise 5.1, question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. So let us solve this first numerical. That here they have given the angle measure 105-degree. Here we have guessed that our x is the other supplementary angle and that is supplement with 105-degree angle, and add them, it should give us 180-degree because they are supplementary to each other. Now here x equals to 180-degree minus 105-degree. So x equals to, we will get here 75-degree as an answer. So other angles measure will be 75-degree. Or in other method, you can directly subtract this given angle from 180-degree because they are supplementary. So here we can do that we are subtracting the given angle from 180-degree. And the reason here is they are supplementary. And answer here we will get is 92-degree. So other supplementary angles measure will be 93-degree. Third numerical, they have given us 150-degree angle. So let us subtract this from 180-degree because they are supplementary to each other. And answer we will get here is 26-degree. Exercise 5.1, question number 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which all are supplementary. So to find out whether these angles are complementary or supplementary, we have to add them. So when two angles, answer is 90-degree, they are complementary. When two angles, addition's answer is 180-degree, they are said to be supplementary. So here we have to add all these angles and we have to check whether they are complementary or supplementary. So let us start with the first one, 65-degree plus 115-degree. The addition of this two angle will give us answer 180-degree, and so that they are supplementary. Second, 63-degree plus 27-degree. So answer here is 90-degree, and so that they are complementary. Third, 112 plus 68-degree. So 180-degree, so they are supplementary. 130-degree plus 58-degree, addition answer is 180-degree. So they are also supplementary to each other. 45-degree plus 45-degree will give us 90-degree. So that's why they are complementary to each other. 80-degree plus 10-degree gives us 90-degree. So they are also complementary angles. Exercise 5.1, question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Now, when two angles are complementary with each other, for example, angle X and angle Y, they both are complementary, then their sum will be 90 degree. This is a condition for complementary angles. Now they are saying that find the angle which is equal to its complementary angle. That means two angles will be equal to each other. Equal to its complement, that means two angles will be equal to each other and they are complementary. That means if two angles are equal, so we are guessing the angle X. Now both of these angles are equal. That means we can take two same angles and addition of this angle should be 90 degree. Now as you can see, these are 2x, so we can add them. So 2x equals to 90 degree. It will give us x equals to 90 degree divided by 2. That means x equals to 45 degree. So 45 degree is the answer. When angle is 45 degree, then it is equals to its other complementary angle. If you want complementary angle to this 45 degree, then other angle will also be 45 degree. That means two angles are equal to each other and they are complementary. Exercise 5.1, question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. That means we have to find out an angle which will be equal. That means two angles are equal to each other and they are supplementary to each other. Here condition for angles to be supplementary is if angle X and angle Y are supplementary, then their addition should be 180 degree. So this is a condition for supplementary angle. Now angle which is equal to its supplements, that means two angles are equal to each other. They are equal to each other and they are supplementary. So let us assume our angle. Now let angle X is equal to its supplement. So let us take two different angles. X plus Y equals to 180 degree. Here angle X is equal to its supplement. That means both of these angles are equals to each other. So I can write X at the place of Y. So X plus X equals to 180 degree as this both of these angles are equal. So we can add this to X. So 2x equals to 180 degree. So X equals to 180 degree divided by 2. So X equals to, we will get here 90 degree. So 90 degree angle is equal to its supplement. Exercise 5.1, question number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. As you can see here in the figure, angle 1 is this and angle 2 is this. They both are supplementary. That means angle 1 and angle 2's measure, when we will add, they will give us answer 180 degree because they are supplementary. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2? Here we can take that example that this is our line and this is angle 1 and angle 2. Now angle 2 will decrease, that means it will go towards this side and angle 1 will decrease like this. Now this is our new angle 1 and this is our new angle 2. As you can see here, this is going to be angle 1 and this full angle is going to be angle 2. So if angle 1 is decreased by 40 degree, then angle 2 will increase by 40 degree. How much ever angle 1 will go towards this side, that much degree angle 2 will increase. So they both will remain supplementary after that. If we will guess that angle 1 is decreased by 15 degree. So this is our new figure where angle 1 is decreased by 15 degree. Here angle 1 is there and here angle 2 is there. So that much degree will increase in angle 2. So in the same way, angle 2 will increase by 15 degree. At the end of this, They both are on the straight line. So when we will add them, they will give us 180 degree. That means they will remain supplementary. How much ever angle 1 will decrease, that much angle 2 will increase. Exercise 5.1, question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute, obtuse and right angle? Now when two angles are supplementary, their addition will be 180 degree. This is a condition for supplementary angle. Now first case, that if they both are acute, that means let us take x equals to 30 degree. What is the meaning of acute? Acute means they are less than 90 degree. So x is 30 degree and y 80 degree. So if we are taking this to measure, then 30 degree plus 80 degree will give us 110 degree, and it is not 180 degree, so they cannot be supplementary. So if they both are acute, then these angles are not supplementary. Now let us take second case. If they both are obtuse angle. Now the meaning of obtuse angle is they will be greater than 90 degree. So let x be 91 degree and y be 140 degree. So let us add them, 231 degree. So it is not 180, so they cannot be supplementary. Now third case is if they both are right angle. Right angle means they will be equal to 90 degree. So let x be 90 degree and y be 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree will give us 180 degree. So they can be supplementary. Exercise 5.1, question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree, equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? So we have one angle and that is greater than 45 degree. So we have assumed here angle x and that is greater than 45 degree. So now its complementary angle will be less than this or equal to this or greater than this. Let us check this with example. So we are taking here angle x and angle y. They should be equal to, addition of this two angles should be equal to 90 degree because they are complementary. So let us assume that x is 50 degree, which is greater than 45 degree. So if angle x is 50 degree, what will be its complementary angle? So y equals to, we will get here 90 degree minus 50 degree. So we will get here y equals to 40 degree. So it is lesser than 45 degree. And how much it will be lesser than 45 degree? How much ever you have increased here. As you can see, it is increased by 5 degree here. So that much 5 degree will, you can see it less here. That from 45 degree it is lesser than 5 degree. Then only their addition will be 90 degree. If one is increased, then the other one should be decreased to maintain this addition, that is 90 degree. So that is how, if one angle is greater than 45 degree, then other angle will be lesser than 45 degree. Exercise 5.1, question number 9. In this question, we have to answer some of the questions based on the figure what they have given here. So as you can see the figure here, and the first question is, in the adjoining figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Now if we want to check that whether these angles are adjacent or not, then we have to check that whether they are following all these three conditions or not. First is they should have same vertex. Second, common arm in between them. They should have common arm in between them. If I'll show you, then it has to be something like this. So here these two angles are adjacent to each other as they are sharing same vertex. they are having common arm in between them. This OB is a common arm in between them. Non-common arm on either side. So OC and OA, they are non-common arm and they are either side of common arm. So these three conditions should be fulfilled by these two angles. Now let us check the figure. Angle 1. So we are talking about this, and angle 2. So second angle is this. As we can see here, let us check that these three conditions are fulfilled by this figure or not. So yes, they have a common vertex in between them. They have a same vertex. Then common arm. So OC is a common arm in between them. So yes, common arm is also there, and non-common arm are on either side. So OA, this, and OE. These two are non-common arm on either side of common arm. So yes, they are adjacent to each other. The second question is angle AOC is adjacent to AOE or not? So let us check this figure. We are talking about this angle. So here we are talking about this full angle, and we are talking about this angle, that AOC. Now we have to check that whether these two angles are adjacent or not. Now here we have to see these three conditions fulfilled by these two angles, then they are said to be adjacent. Common vertex. Yes, they do have common vertex here, that is O. So this condition is fulfilled. Common arm. Yes, they do have common arm, that is OC in between them, but they don't have non-common arm on either side of common arm. Next question is, do COE angle and angle EOD form a linear pair? Now what is the meaning of linear pair? Linear pairs are forming angles on straight line, and so that the sum of angles of linear pair is always equals to 180 degree. So we have to check here that these two angles are on a straight line or not. So let us locate COE. So here we can see two angles, that COE is this angle 2 and EOD is this complete angle which covers 3 and 4, both the angles. So yes, they are on the straight line. As you can see, they are on the straight line CD. This complete straight line is forming via these two angles. So yes, they are linear pair. Next question, are angle BOD and DOA are supplementary or not? So we have to check that. First of all, what all are the supplementary angles? If angles are supplementary, then sum of two angles should be 180 degree. Then only they are said to be supplementary. Now let us locate these two angles. So we are taking here angle 4, then DOA and angle 5. As you can see, these two angles are forming a straight line. That means the addition of these two angles, angle 4 and angle 5, will be 180 degree. So yes, from the figure we can say that they are supplementary. So together if we are taking angle 4 and angle 5, so they will give us 180 degree because they are on the straight line AB. Next question is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4 or not? So let us check the figure. We do have here angle 1 like this and angle 4. These two angles are formed via intersection of two lines, that is AB and CD. So they are vertically opposite to each other. Next question is, what is vertically opposite to the angle 5? So here our angle 5 is there, and vertically opposite to this angle is this complete angle. So angle 2 and 3. combined this angle is vertically opposite to angle 5. So here we can say that angle COB is vertically opposite to angle 5. Exercise 5.1, question number 10. Indicate which pairs of angles are vertically opposite angles and second linear pairs. So from this figure, we have to find out which angles are vertically opposite and which angles are forming linear pair. Now by looking at this figure, we can see that these two lines are intersecting with each other at one common point. And by that, these angles are forming. Now from here we can see that angle 5 is vertically opposite to two angles, and that is angle 3 and angle 2. So first pair we got it here is angle 5 along with angle 3 plus angle 2. Now second pair, as we can see here, angle 4 is vertically opposite to angle 1. Now second, linear pairs. Now for the linear pairs, condition is they should have common vertex and non-common arms on opposite sides. So let us see whether these two conditions are fulfilled here or not. First, angle 4 and angle 5 is making linear pair here. As you can see here, they have common vertex and they have non-common arm. So this arm and this arm are non-common arm, and they both are on opposite side. So angle 4 and angle 5, they are making first linear pair. Now second linear pair is 5 and angle 1. These two angles are making linear pair as they are sharing common vertex and they both are having non-common arm on opposite to each other. So angle 5 and angle 1 are making another linear pair. Exercise 5.1, question number 11. In the following figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Give reasons. Here conditions for the angles to be adjacent are the following. So there are three conditions. They should have common vertex, they should have common arm, and they should have non-common arms on either side. So in this figure, if we will see, then they do not have common vertex. If the angles are adjacent, then we can see here this angle A and angle B. They both are adjacent because they have a common vertex here. They have common arm here and they have non-common arm on either side. So these two angles are perfectly adjacent to each other, but here they do not have common vertex, and because of that reason these two angles are not adjacent to each other. Exercise 5.1, question number 12. Find the values of angle X, Y and Z in the following figure. Now this is a figure. In this there are two lines. They are intersecting with each other. They are straight line. They are intersecting at. Now because of this intersection we do have here four angles, and angle Y and angle Z are vertically opposite to each other, whereas angle 55 degree and angle X, they are vertically opposite to each other. Vertically opposite to each other angles are equal in measure. So that's why 55 degree equals to X. And the reason here is because they are vertically opposite angles. We have to find out angle Y or angle Z. Either of this angle we can find out. Angle Y and angle 55. They are making linear pair. 55 degree plus angle Y equals to 180 degree because they are forming linear pair here. We can also write that angle Z and angle X, they are also forming linear pair here. We can find out measure here for the angle Y, that 180 degree minus 55 degree will give us angle Y equals to 125 degree. Now angle Y is 125 degree, which is vertically opposite to angle Z. So angle Y equals to angle Z because they are vertically opposite angle. And because of that, angle Z equals to 125 degree. In another case, we can also find out the measure of angle Z because we know that angle X is 55 degree here. So first we will get measure of angle Z, that is 125 degree, and from this we can write that angle Z equals to angle Y because they are vertically opposite angle, and later we can find out that angle Y equals to 125 degree. Both of these methods are correct and you can follow either of that. Exercise 5.1, question number 12. Find the values of the angle X, Y and Z in each of the following. So in this figure, we can see that these two lines are intersecting with each other at one definite point, and because of that 40 degree angle and angle Z, they both are vertically opposite angle. So that's why angle Z's measure will be equal to 40 degree. Now we can see that angle Z and angle Y, they both are forming a linear pair here. These two angles are on a straight line, so that's why they are forming a linear pair. And because of that, the summation of their measure will give us 180 degree. We know that angle Z equals to 40 degree. So from this we can find out measure of angle Y, that is 180 degree minus 40 degree will give us 140 degree for angle Y. Now if we will consider this line, then angle X, 25 degree and angle Z, all these three angles are on a straight line. So summation of all these three angles should give us 180 degree in total. So angle X plus angle Z plus 25 degree equals to 180 degree because they all are on straight line. We know the measure of angle Z, and that is 40 degree plus 25 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle X equals to, we will get 180 degree minus, so angle X equals to, we will get here 115 degree. Question number 13. Fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks based on the concept of the angles. First, if two angles are complementary, then sum of their measures is 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary, then sum of their measure is 180 degree. Third, two angles forming a linear pair are giving us 180 degree in total. That means they are supplementary. Fourth, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form a linear pair. For example, these two are the angles, angle 1 and angle 2. They both are adjacent angle as well as they are forming a linear pair. So that's why they are supplementary. The total of these two will be 180 degree. Fifth, if two lines intersect at a point, then vertically opposite angles are always. So two lines will be like this, and vertically opposite angles, they are always equal in measure. Sixth, if two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angle, then other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angle. If these two lines are there, if this are acute angles pair, then the opposite other pair will be obtuse. Acute means less than 90 degree and obtuse means greater than 90 degree. Exercise 5.1, question number 14. In the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. First, obtuse vertically opposite angles. So we have to find out vertically opposite angles. So in this figure, these angles are vertically opposite to each other. Now they have asked us for the obtuse angle. This pair of angle will be acute vertically opposite angles. We have to find out obtuse which are greater than 90 degree. So these are obtuse pair of vertically opposite angles. So it is going to be AOD, and the second pair is BO and C. Our second question, adjacent complementary angles. Complementary angles means the sum of measures of their angles should be 90 degree. That means they are complementary angles. If we are talking about these angles, they are adjacent as well as the addition of their measures will give us 90 degree. These angles, that is BOA, and other angle, that OA. So these two angles are complementary as well as they are adjacent to each other. Third question, equal supplementary angles. First of all, supplementary angles. That means sum of measure of this angle should be 180 degree, and they are saying equal. That means if they both are 90 degree, then only we will get 90 degree plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. So we have to find out a pair of two supplementary angles which are of measure 90 degree. So here if we will see this angle, that BOE, and another angle is EOD. So these two are supplementary as well as their measure is 90 degree. That means they both are equal and supplementary. Fourth, we have to find out supplementary angles. That means measure of two angles sum will be 180 degree and they should be unequal. Angle AOE and angle EOC, they both are pair of supplementary angles as well as they are unequal. Fifth question, adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. We can find out many pairs. That first pair is this, that angle AOE and another angle is angle EOD. So these two angles are adjacent as well as they are not forming linear pair. So this is first pair. Second pair is this, that angle EOD, first angle, and second angle is this, that angle DOC. They are adjacent as well as they are not forming linear pair. Third pair of adjacent angles are angle EOA. This is first angle, and second angle is angle AOB. So these two pairs are also adjacent angles, but they are also not forming linear pair. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself.